This is a problem.
Oh, fantastic. Look at that.
Hey everyone, it's Dayru. Today you will learn the 2 best ways to remove floor tile. Plus, there is one solution that's the easiest. It's absolutely gonna shock you. So what you guys are looking at here is tile that's properly bonded. The tile setter did a great job. Do you know what that means? The chisel did bump kiss. You know what that's gonna tell me? So clearly this didn't cut it. We're moving on, starting off with method number 1, the hammer. So what I'm doing here is starting the demo process in the middle of the floor, which is common. Now, is it really a good use of your time?
Start the clock. We want to see how long it takes 1 square foot of tile with a hammer. All right, let's do this. Go. So 1 tile removed, we're at 262, okay, 273. That's why we have the respirator. So far we have 1 tile removed, a whole lot of effort. Clean as you go. That right there is what we're looking at. Toxic air, really, really bad.
So at the end of the day, the hammer is working really well, but I've only removed 3 square feet of tile, and I think I've swung this hammer about 150 times. So clearly, there's a lot of labor involved. So there's got to be a better way, right? Moving on to power tools and the SDS hammer drill. There's a technique to doing this.
A big piece of tile. I haven't seen one that big since 1992. That's great.
See that big piece of tile I just removed? That is not an accident. That is a demo technique. Let's watch again. See how I'm getting big pieces of tile? That means I'm doing the tile removal properly. Now, I recently bought my own SDS hammer drill only because the prices are pretty reasonable, especially if you're doing a lot of demo. Now, one of the tricks to removing floor tile is when you are using your demo chisel and you're meeting resistance, you're going to get little itty bitty pieces of tile. That means you have to change directions and come in with your demo chisel in the other direction. That right there is going to save you a ton of time.
See the difference? So this right here is concrete. This is mortar. We got to lift this up now. All right, let's do it.
One of the biggest problems with tile removal is you're going to get a lot of dust. So don't forget, you definitely want to turn off your furnace and AC, and you want to tape up all your ducts. Now, because my mortar is coming up in small little pieces here, what I'm doing is throwing down some water with a mop just to keep the dust down. I think it was a little bit harder to remove, but it did keep the dust down. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, if you are new to the channel, this tile removal is part of our bathroom renovation series. I will link to all of those videos in the description for you. I already demoed the bathroom, and coming up, I have something incredible planned for the shower that you haven't seen anywhere else, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna absolutely love it. All right, let's get back to the floor.
All right, I'm ready for date night. I did all of that in 1 battery. That's not too bad, hey? What do you think?
Now, if you're wanting to install new flooring and you don't want to do all of this work, you can lay floor leveling compound right over top of tile. If that sounds like a good idea to you, you can check out this video right here, and I will link in the playlist to our bathroom renovation series that is going to look absolutely amazing. I'm David, I'll see you in the next one.